Hello and Nyob to each and every one of you. In today's video, I wanted to show you how to make my version of a yolk salad dressing. And egg yolk salad dressing is actually a very popular and well-known dressing made in the Laotian cuisine. And this salad dressing is used on a salad known as yum salad. It has all of the components that you will want in a salad dressing. It's sweet, it's savory, it's salty, it's sour. It's just super delicious. So today I wanted to show you my take on it. It's super easy to make and also very delicious. Perfect for parties, for picnics, for any type of events. So I hope you can give this one a try and let me know if you ever had egg yolk salad dressing before and how you make your own egg yolk salad dressing, because everyone has their own version of it at home. So with that being said, let's just get to it and show you how to make it. Let's go. So to make the dressing, I have a blender here, and into the blender I'm going to be adding about 6 whole hard-boiled egg yolks. Now if you want this to be a little bit more yolkier, you can go ahead and add more. I've done this with 8 egg yolks, so it's up to you. And then we're gonna add in some Kewpie mayonnaise. You can also just use any kind of mayonnaise that you prefer, but I love using Kewpie mayonnaise for dressings. It just has a lot more flavor. I'm also going to be adding some neutral oil. You can use vegetable oils, canola oil. You can also use avocado oil. It's really up to you. I'm also going to be adding some sugar. I'm using turbinado sugar today. I have some black pepper here as well. 1 clove of garlic. Some mushroom seasoning. Fish sauce. And some freshly squeezed lime juice. And that's pretty much it for the ingredients. Go ahead and cover it with a lid, and we're gonna blend this for about 30 seconds until it becomes nice and smooth. I'm going to pour this into a measuring cup just so that you can see how much this recipe makes. And it made about 1.5 cups. And this will usually serve about 4 to 6 people depending on how much dressing they use on their salad. Other than that, this is what it looks like. Super creamy. It's a little bit on the thinner side, but it's super delicious. And I'm going to pour this into my salad dressing jar here. You could definitely use this right away, but I actually prefer using it the next day just because it's actually a lot more flavorful as it sits overnight. So it's really up to you. It sits really well in the fridge for about 4 days. So you can make this dressing a day or 2 in advance. Now to make the salad, the type of lettuce that I like to use is just green leaf lettuce. You can definitely use any type of lettuce you prefer, but I actually really like using green leaf lettuce because it actually holds the dressing and coats the dressing really well. But again, you can use any type of greens that you prefer. It doesn't really matter because salad is pretty flexible. You can make it however you like it. Just make sure you rinse it really well, chop it up into bite-sized pieces, and then make sure it's completely dry before you use it. So again, you can add any type of vegetables you want, but other vegetables that I do like to add is some shredded carrots here. I have some sliced cucumbers, some cherry tomatoes that I halved, and then the reserved egg whites that we peeled off earlier. Just go ahead and slice it into bite-sized pieces like this. I'm also going to be adding some roasted crushed peanuts here and some fresh cilantro. So in a big mixing bowl, go ahead and add in the lettuce. And the rest of the vegetables and protein. Now it's up to you, but you can definitely add other protein into the salad as well. I've seen a lot of people use stir-fried ground pork, ham, some turkey, some chicken. It's really up to you, but today I'm just gonna stick with the eggs. And then once everything's added in there, go ahead and dress it. You can definitely add as much dressing as you want depending on how much you like it dressed. I'm only going to be adding half of the container here, and then I'll add more later if I notice that it needs more dressing. Give this a really good mix. Go ahead and taste it for seasoning, and this is pretty much it for the salad. I highly recommend eating the salad the day you dress it. If you let this sit for a couple hours, it will get watery. Other than that, I'm going to plate this, and then I'm going to garnish this with some fresh chopped cilantro and some crushed roasted peanuts. And this is it for today's video. The salad is super delicious, sweet, sour, salty, savory. It has all the components that you will want in a super delicious salad. So hope you can give this recipe a try. Until then, I will see you in my next video.